under your thigh. Both hands under your thigh, under your seat. Legs straight. Join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips close. Uttana Padasanam. Both legs straight up 90. Both legs straight up 90. Straight down 10. No 0. No full down. 1. Straight up 90. Straight down 10. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready to hold. 11. Stay there at 10 degrees. Uttana Padasanam. Come on, stay strong. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, with ball, Ardhanavasanam. With ball, both hands at back side. With ball, legs straight, join big toes, tighten kneecap. Upper body, half liftings. Hands, head, chest, abdomen. Upper body, half liftings. Ready? Don't lift foot. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 3, up, down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready to hold. 11, up, stay there. Ardhanavasanam. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Sitting position. Turn to abdomen side. Half mid body liftings. Half flanks. Interlock hands. Take elbow support. Join legs. Join foot, knee, thigh. Abdomen, thigh, legs. Abdomen, thigh, legs up and down. Always mid body in air. Always mid body in air. Ready? 1, up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready to hold. 11, up. Stay there. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. With 2 dumbbells, standing position with 2 dumbbells, hands alternative straight liftings, hands alternative straight liftings, lips close, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Crossings above shoulder level. Lips closed. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, full cross. 1. Dumbbells drop. Sit down. With brick support, butterfly. With brick support, butterfly. Head, neck, spine straight. Head, neck, spine straight. Expand your chest, squeeze your upper backbone. Lift head, eyeball facing roof. Ready. Thigh, hips, full up and full down, full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look up. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit in Vajrasanam. Both bricks in stand mode. From left leg, Parvatasanam with both brick support. Parvatasanam. Parvatasanam. Eyeball facing abdomen, eyeball facing stomach. Now left leg. Left foot in between bricks. Look up. Lift head, eyeball facing roof. Left leg back. Look down. Find your stomach. 2. Right leg forward. Look up. Right leg back. Look down. 3. Left leg forward. Look up. Left leg back. Look down. 4. Right leg back. 5. Left leg back. 6. Back. 7. Back. 8. Back. 9. Back. 10. Right leg back. 11. Left foot. Stay there. Look up. Eyeball facing roof. Lift right knee in air. Hasva Sanchalanasana. Hearts moving. Come on, stay there. 12. 11. Lips closed. Eyeball facing roof. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Parvatasanam. Sashankashanam. Parvatasanam. Left foot in between bricks. Left foot in between bricks. Left foot. Now left leg total move to front side. Left leg total stretch to front side. Down right knee. Right knee on mat. Right knee relax on mat. Right leg total stretch back. Kudikaal mottam veniki netteyali. Right leg total push back. Right leg push back, left leg push forward. Now try to join forehead, left kneecap. Head down, neck down, upper back down, mid back down, total upper body down and join. Try to join forehead, left kneecap. Come on, stay there. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Tighten left kneecap. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. 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 Standing position. Standing position. Join foot. Join foot. Hands side liftings. Hands side liftings. Lips closed. 1, up, down. 2, 3, stretch up. 4, tala, chevi, meda, venipus, veniki nunchi ravali. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, stretch up. 11, 12, up, stay there. Interlock hands, both palm facing roof. Lift heel, lift midfoot. Stand on foot fingers. అరచేతుల మీద తిప్పాలి. తాడాసనం, body and mind balancing asanam. Stay there like a statue, no shivering, no jerks. 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip rotation clockwise. Separate legs. Hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to north side. Parshva Konasanam. Separate legs. More wide your legs. Double wide your legs. Brick left foot ankle backside in stand mode. Dumbbell with right hand. Only one dumbbell with right hand. If you want to do perfect asanam, more wide your legs. Double wide your legs. Separate legs. More wide. Double wide. Both foot turn to left side. Upper body turn to main door side. Not Buddha wallpaper. Not sun god. Always upper body facing main door side. Both hands above shoulder level. Above shoulder level. Hands full back stretch. Expand your chest. Slowly bend your left knee. Bend your left knee. Not bend your upper body. Left knee. Now take support brick with left hand. Now right hand, it should be maintained from back side up. Head, ear, neck, upper back. Kudi cheyi, tala, chevi, meda, venipus, veniki nunchi ravali. Your face facing main door. Main door chudali. Not Buddha wallpaper. Not sun god. Come on, stay strong. 1. Right leg total push to right side. Vijay. Kudikalu mattam kudivaipu netteseyali. Try to down your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Pull back side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down.